Today's finds part 2. Oh. Power shower. Top part of the fuse. Loads of bits of shrapnel. More bits. The inside. Fuse part. Bottom part. Some hand grenade bases. Don't know what that is. I don't know. I said earlier. Said it was a punch of tires or what? Don't know. Hinge. Ooh. And then this stuff. Obviously, you got your normal sort of spam bottles. And your raw cream or whatever was in that. And your other bottles. That. Whatever the hell that was. I don't know, bearings or something. That'll do with a light. Some lids. Oops, one. Let's see, that one. Panyan. Don't know. Nice little bottle. Just the mug's cleaned up. Toothbrush. Nice bit of naffy bit. And an axe head. It's been nicely used. Anyway, that was just today's finds.